We came to Lombok searching for beaches, but what we found was something deeper. Here life moves slower. People live with little, yet carry a happiness that feels infinite. It makes you wonder, have we been looking for joy in all the wrong places? In this journey we will visit Nambung Beach and the hidden gem Biras Beach Bar, and the raw beauty of Nambung Beach. But beyond the sand and waves, Lombok holds a lesson. One that stays with you long after you leave. Subscribe to my channel and let's uncover this together. Hey guys, I literally found my dream beach. This place is heaven. I almost cried when I came here. I had tears in my eyes. The water is gorgeous, the waves are beautiful, even for surfing. I felt like I came to Maldives for a second. It's so simple, but it feels so luxury. The beach is amazing. And comparing to Maldives, I believe it's very affordable. The food and drinks here are Australian prices, something along $15 to like $55 for lobster. Who needs a lobster, right? The water is warm, clear and almost empty. Just me, the gold sand and the endless horizon. It feels like freedom in one of Lombok's most untouched gems. We are back on the road, and what happened next completely blew our minds. The deeper you venture into the island, the more powerful the experiences become. Here is a little spot for paragliding. It would be very nice jumping here off the cliff. If we had the chance, we totally would. Lombok isn't just about beaches. It's also about slowing down with a cup of coffee the way locals do.
The double shot one with caramel.
The prices are also very affordable. We paid about $4.50 Australian dollars for the coffee. But the view was priceless.
Get addicted to beauty and freedom.
And the locals are so beautiful. Wow, it's like a traditional village run through. Hello. My gosh, she's so beautiful.
Sitting there.
Yeah, like a princess waiting for the prince, you know.
I don't know where I'm going. I don't know. There, Nambung.
Thank you. Okay. Makasih. We're just sitting here peacefully watching the sunset, and the locals are running around. They are safe, the kids are playing in the water, the locals are sitting on the beach and enjoying themselves, and it just feels like a total paradise, the most special place in the world. The beach is completely stunning, and my thoughts goes to the local people here and how much I wish this place will be protected, because some big corporations comes here and give them a lot of money to move out of their land to build another beach club, another resort, and I feel like this needs to be protected at all costs, because it's really special. And I feel really lucky and privileged to be here and witness it. It's just amazing. We came to Lombok expecting just another travel adventure. What we didn't expect was a lesson we can't get out of our heads. Here people live with very little, yet they seem so much happier. They have community, balance with nature, animals and children all around, and some of the most beautiful surroundings in the world. Maybe this is the secret to happiness. This is so real. This is so real and so beautiful, and so much love in the air. Like I'm getting teary every second.
You have arrived.
Hello. We got a whole beach club for ourselves. This beach club has a low season now, but in 2 days the pool's gonna get cleaned, and here you can also rent a jet ski. What we figured out, it's 450 rupiah to rent it for 15 minutes. We reckon it's a little bit expensive, but yeah, considering. Oh, you're so cute. We had dessert, tiramisu, it was also beautiful, and each dish that we had today was only $10 Australian. So coming to a beach club, the prices are super affordable, and the food was like really super delicious. So I can't ever whinge about anything here. Being on this island, it's been fantastic and life-changing and completely something out of the ordinary. Just the rawness of the island, the kindness of the local people, and the experiences, the ride on the scooter, and just in general, like it's a complete paradise. Like you can't go wrong here. It is a stunning place. It's a stunning island. It's something else. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far in the episode, I believe you enjoyed it. Please share with your loved ones to help us to reach more people. And subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming episodes. In our next adventure, we are leaving the coastline behind and heading deep inland. Imagine endless rice fields swaying in the wind, secret waterfalls hidden in the jungle, and the raw moments of our journey. Unfiltered, real, and full of love. What's the place that touched your heart the most on your travels? Share it in the comments. We would love to hear your stories. Thank you for your continuous support, and we will see you at our next episode. Bye!